We first of all want to provide standards from an owner's perspective. Those standards are going to focus on BIM, they're going to be BIM-centric, but they're also going to focus in how we start to integrate things like advanced work packages back into the overall project control systems. They're going to focus on the use of technology, on the integration of technology, and on making sure data can flow through the system. We're going to extract commonality. We're going to make sure that we are building something once in a virtual environment, and we can deploy it many times. This is starting to align very much with the product type of mentality rather than the project mentality. We realize every building is different, but there is a lot of similarity between buildings. If we can focus on the similarity rather than the differences, then we can start to optimize the process around the similarities. We can start to eliminate waste. We can start to get a real focus on prefabrication. I mentioned the digital thread is absolutely critical, and the digital thread runs through all processes and phases of the project. And so we have to not only identify the digital thread, but configure systems that support this digital thread through the whole process. And lastly, there has to be supervision of this digital thread. This process involves building a virtual building at the same time as building the physical building and keeping everything in synchronization at certain phases, at certain intervals through the process. So it's very important to make sure that we provide supervision, and just in the way that a physical process will have a project manager, a construction manager, a superintendent, we make sure that we have the supervision of the digital model and the digital thread throughout this process. All of this is then wrapped up within the playbook, which starts to be used in a reproducible manner to optimize the overall process for our serial builders. Thank you.